Hi guys, story time. Today we're going on a bear hunt. This is a request from Rikesh, so this one's for you. By Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenbury. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Through the river. Splash, splosh, splash, 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 splosh. Took their shoes off, didn't they? Yeah? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Squelch, 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 squelch. Yeah. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest. A big dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Scary forest. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. Can't go under it. We've got to go through it. Oh no. Hoo-woo. 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 We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Who wants to go in the cave?
Not me.
Baby doesn't want to go in there. Look, baby's scared.
Tiptoe,
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe.
What's that?
What's that? What do you think it is?
A bear.
One shiny wet nose. Shh, you have to be quiet, we're in the cave. One shiny wet nose. Two big furry ears. Two big goggly eyes. It's a bear! Quick! Back through the cave!
Tiptoe,
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Woo! Woo! Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squirt, 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 squirt. Back through the river. Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. Back through the grass. Swish, swashy, swishy, swashy. The bear's still chasing them. Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no! We forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Back up the stairs. Into the bedroom. Into bed. Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. Oh, everybody's scared. Look, they're all terrified.
And baby's holding the bear up.
Baby's holding the bear up. Baby doesn't care. He's in bed now.
And he's all happy. Everyone's hiding.
There's the bear. Poor bear going back to his cave. Happy now not to be disturbed anymore. And that's the end of the book.
His head's gone down.
That was a fun book, wasn't it? So, what did we learn from that book today? First thing, I think most importantly, don't go chasing animals that have very sharp claws, because if they run after you, you're going to be in all sorts of trouble. But I think more importantly, one thing I definitely learned from this book is to always persevere. Persevere is a little bit of a big word, but it means to always keep trying and always push through. Sometimes you get difficulties in life. Sometimes maybe your homework is too hard, or maybe you think you can't come first in a race, or maybe when you're reading you find the word too difficult. But if you persevere and you keep trying, then you will get better. Yes, you always remember to try and keep persevering. Just like in the book, they had to go through the forest, and they had to go through the river, and they had to go through the squelchy mud. But they said, we can't go over it, can't go under it, but we have to go through it. They didn't say, oh, it's too difficult, I'm just going to go home. They carried on going. So make sure you remember to always persevere. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Give it a nice big thumbs up. Click that button if you haven't done already. And leave me some comments. If you're watching on your phone, what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way. You'll have some videos underneath this one. Scroll all the way up, push all those videos up, and then right at the bottom you'll see the comment section. You can leave me some comments to see if you enjoyed this book, or if you have any requests for any other books, let me know. Share with all your friends so everybody else can enjoy it too. Always remember, books are knowledge, and knowledge is power. Keep reading, guys. Until next time, sleep well. Good night.